Hey, what's going on, my friend? Justin Temple here with a quick video on attraction marketing in network marketing. How do you actually bring people to you? How do you actually find people and find leads that are actually interested in your opportunity or in your products and actually want to be a reseller and go all in and work on the business day in, day out until they become a master distributor? Where are those people? How do you find those leads? And how do you actually get them to join your team? In this video, I'm going to share with you attraction marketing in network marketing and how to actually get leads and get people to sign up for your primary business. My name is Justin Temple. Please like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell notifications for future network marketing training videos. So really quick, I'm going to show you a lot of income proof. I'm going to show you a lot of results with the strategies that I'm going to show you. But first, I'm going to show you the strategies. Okay, now all the results that you're about to see are not particularly from this one strategy, but these people that you're about to see have followed what I'm going to show you in the simple systems that I'm going to show you. Okay, so for example, I do YouTube. Okay, and a lot of people in our community do YouTube and videos. So you're going to see that in a second. But the attraction marketing in network marketing is a very simple thing, okay? Most people are actually prospecting, trying to go out and tell people about their business, which takes a lot of energy, okay? Imagine if you could just spend 15, 30, an hour, okay, 30 minutes to an hour on your business making a simple video like this and have 5 to 10 new people per day asking for more information. Okay, so look at my Outlook account. Okay, so today I have 3 leads. Okay, actually that's 1 lead for each business opportunity. So I got 1 lead for my offline, 1 lead for this system that I'm kind of talking about right now and how it works, and then here's a lead for the traffic system where I sell traffic from. So I actually got a lead for 3 different opportunities before. It's actually 151 right now. So now if we scroll down, let's see, yesterday, let's see, Friday, Thursday, 1, 2, 3, 4 yesterday, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on Wednesday. Tuesday had 1, 2, 3, 4, those are emails, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10. So I think that's quite a bit. Okay, so anyways, I get a lot of leads, typically anywhere from 2 to 20 leads per day. It can vary. Sometimes I get none. Like there are a few days, if I actually track, where I have gotten no leads. But most of the days I get solid, consistent leads, and they're all high quality leads. So I'm not saying, always get 100 leads per day. That's not my strategy. My strategy is put out good content and get quality clicks and get quality leads. And so, yeah, I've gotten 1 lead for each opportunity. That's 3 leads today. So if I was only part of 1 opportunity, I would have gotten 1 lead. Okay, or maybe I would have gotten a few more leads because I would be focusing on it more. But you know what I mean, right? So let's go ahead and show you how I get these leads. So what I do is I go to YouTube and I search so attraction marketing and network marketing, the first tip is to know your audience. So there are people out there buying your stuff, just not from you. So where are they going before they buy? Other from you. They go on YouTube and Google. That's it. And so the traffic, okay, so all the traffic starts with search. Okay, all traffic starts with search. If I make a brand new network marketing company, the only way for me to really get traffic is to tell people about it, which is what you're struggling to do, or rank in the search engines and make content and get found by suggested videos. There's really only 2 ways. It's either blogging and videos or prospecting and posting on social media like a monkey. Okay, so what you need to do is figure out where are people searching for stuff and what are they searching for. So really you just go to network marketing and it will give you suggestions. So let me go to my YouTube channel and let me show you real quick. YouTube Studio. So I did a bunch of network marketing videos and it's actually generating me a lot of leads. My leads have increased since doing these videos. So let me show you my content right here. And all these videos are videos just like this. Okay? So if you scroll down, it's got network marketing, recruiting strategies, network marketing recruiting tips, network marketing recruiting skills. So I have a bunch of network marketing videos, right? So if you want to do network marketing, attraction marketing, you make content about network marketing keywords. Okay, so these keywords get searches. Okay, and then also what you want to do is you want to make videos about your company. So not only do I make videos about searches and search keywords, I also make videos about companies, right? So here's a company that I don't like, okay, and the product isn't as good as I thought. So I just made 3 or 4 videos about that. And then I do have videos about, you know, the HBA, which is my #1 recommended program. And so I make videos about the companies that I joined. So you're probably someone that has bought multiple products, has joined multiple companies, and you're like trying to follow their marketing strategy, but you're stupid because you're just, all you need to do is tell people the truth about what you're buying, and that's the traffic. Don't you get it? Don't you get it? Don't you get it? Like, don't you get it? Okay? So all this stuff you're buying, just review it for other people. All this stuff that you're spending your money on and failing at, tell people you're spending money on it and failing and offer something else. That's the secret. That's the key. It's the secret is not that you're going to buy something that tells you how to do something. The secret is you know how to make videos about stuff and you just go buy everything. It's the opposite way. Ain't no one going to teach you anything. This is the truth. Okay, like you're going to buy stuff and fail inside because the information's not good. Just know how, and I'll show you how to know how to rank stuff, but you need to know how to do a YouTube video and create content, and I'll show you how. And then review your network marketing company and all the products that you buy and all the products that aren't working for you. And then you're going to bring that traffic to you and refer them to something that you do like. So that's how you do attraction marketing and network marketing. That's the secret. That's the key. So how do you do this? Well, I actually use a tool called HBA Academy, the Home Business Academy. I use this. This is a funnel builder, so it's comparable to ClickFunnels, but way cheaper in quality. So you're not going to compromise any quality. So this is my funnel builder that I use for all my network marketing programs, and I build out funnels like this for every single network marketing program that I'm with. I do not use replicated pages, so that allows me to get more leads, more sales, and more conversions. So now, let me show you the Home Business Academy income disclosure. I'm going to go over some results real quick, show you exactly how to do attraction marketing and network marketing, and also the people that are getting results with this, and my results. Okay, so income results not guaranteed. You will make $0, just like you've already have. So shut your mouth, stop complaining. You ain't going to make nothing. You already know the deal. You're a wussy. You have no skills. You ain't going to do nothing. You ain't going to watch the videos. You didn't even open up the last course that you bought. Okay? We all know this. You didn't even open up the last thing that you bought. So your results are not guaranteed. Stop being a wussy. Okay? Refer to the income disclosure below. You're going to have to work your ass off. But I promise you that if you do what I'm going to share with you, or that I shared with you in this video, and you follow attraction marketing, you'll have a lot of your ass left. You ain't going to work too much of it off. Okay? So you have some of it left. Alright, so let me go and show you some results. So right here. So Noelle made her first sale. Okay, this came in July 20th at 4:44 p.m. Okay? Noelle had her first sale. We had only 8 days in. Carl got his first sale. We had first HBA commission in the books for John. Then we have Jacob making his first sale in the books. And then we got Gary right here, made his first sale. And now he's got to set up his payment processor, just asking about that. We have Michael, okay, made his first sale right here. Then we have Jacob, okay, remember Jacob back here, made his first sale. Now he made his second sale, okay. And this is not necessarily from YouTube videos. These people, I'll show you the training in a second. We actually do a combination of YouTube and Facebook. So right here we get the free traffic. We have a lot of training on LinkedIn, blogging, YouTube, and Facebook. Okay, so this is how most of these people are getting results, is this training right here. And we also have paid traffic training as well. Okay, so that's how these people are getting these results. It's not necessarily from what I showed you and what I'm doing. That's only some of it. If you can do a video like this, that's great. Maybe you want to not do videos and just do Facebook, and that's fine. A lot of these people are doing Facebook as well. Now we have second sale with Mitch right here. We have a second sale with Dave. Then we have a second sale with Barry right here. Then we got our third sale with Marcel. We got our third sale with Mitch, and again, Mitch was just right here getting his second sale. So good job, Mitch, getting up to 3. Then we have Barry again. Barry was back here with his second sale, up to his third sale, and this is some time ago, right? These are July 24th and etc. So, but I'm just showing you some of the recent posts in the community. Okay, so Monte has got he just got a notification from HBA following the tools in the system. Carl, boom, another sale. Carl, boom, another sale. This one was from free traffic. So he's following the free traffic training and getting sales, okay? No income results guaranteed. You will make $0, okay? Carl, another sale came in at the time, last night. And so, Carl, another sale. Carl's killing it, right? Carl's posting constantly in the group. We have Hansi, I'm sorry about the name, cracked the 2K mark in under 8 weeks. Now it's time to really go for it. So 8 weeks. Hansi made 2K. You're not going to make 2K in 8 weeks. That's only his results. And then we have Ace. Woohoo, bam! We have just broken our first record, and they crossed 10K commissions, okay? So people are getting results with the system, and then my results are, I've made a total of $5,828.80 in this month, or I'm sorry, the last 30 days, I've made $892 with this one income stream. Okay, so let me show you how many clicks I get. I have multiple income streams, multiple businesses. So let me show you my clicks over the last 30 days. So I don't get that many clicks. I generate real high quality attraction marketing clicks. Real clicks. You click the link down below right now, opt in, that's quality. Go ahead and do that right now. And go ahead and learn how to do this, okay? Be an example and go through it and watch yourself go through it. So I only get a handful of clicks, So in a day, I got nothing today. 1, 4, 3, 3, 10, right? 3, 3, 1, 2. So I don't really get that many clicks, but this system's high converting, and the quality of the traffic is really good. So that's how you go ahead and start doing attraction marketing in network marketing. Is go ahead and join the Home Business Academy for only $25 per month and get access to HBA Premium for 2 weeks for free. So you can use HBA Premium to learn how to build any business. You can use this to get leads for your business. Your business. Okay, this is not training on how to get leads for HBA. This is training on how to get leads for your business. And we even go through a section in the training called Freedom Launchpad, where we actually go into ClickBank and set up funnels with the funnel builder using ClickBank products, so you can sell anything. All right, it's a great system. I also help my team. I'm one of the leaders in HBA. I really help my team. I call everyone, and I have a ton of bonuses. So I'm 100% accessible, 24/7, 365 to my team. So go ahead and reach out to me. Click the link down below, and I'll see you on the inside. Other than that, thanks for watching this video on attraction marketing in network marketing. This is going to be the best way for you to go ahead and get leads and traffic for your business. I get traffic and leads sleeping and not even having to do anything. So imagine working 15 minutes to 30 minutes per day to get quality leads to your business. Click the link down below, learn more, and I'd love to help you on the inside.